Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Kayali's Vacay in a Bottle set. This is a very, very viral set right now, you guys. So Kayali has launched some new fragrances. It's not that new anymore. I think it came out a couple weeks ago. But they launched these fragrances that comes in a mini set. It only comes in miniature. It doesn't come in full size at all. You get 4 brand new limited edition scents for $100. You can order this on Huda Beauty's website, or you can get this on Sephora.com. I did pick it up from Sephora. I think since then it's gone on sale for $85 on Huda Beauty, but it's still $100 at Sephora. So if you're not a stranger here, I love a good, sweet, fruity, tropical, summery, spring type scent. To me, Kayali does a really good job at getting us excited for these new launches. So when I saw the promo videos, I already knew when it launched, I wanted to get my hands on it. And I got it when it came out, you guys. So I'm so sorry that this was such a late review, but I feel like let me just give you guys my 2 cents anyway, even if you already picked it up, you know what I mean? So it's an interesting set. I do like it, like some more than others. So let's just get right into the review. So starting off with Marrakesh in a Bottle, it does say Orange Blossom 24. And it's a sort of tropical orange blossom forward fragrance. And I do want to add that they all do have that sort of common theme of like casual, beachy, vacation-like, which you guys probably figured that just from the name alone. But Marrakesh in a Bottle, we're going to start off with this one, which is actually my least favorite. And it's interesting because when I did the unboxing and sprayed them all initially, on first spray in the air, this one really caught my attention in a very good way. Just sweet, bright, definitely Vacay vibes, which all of them give that. When you smell them, you think tropical beach type. But you know what? As it dries down, I get something from it that almost gives, and don't take this in a bad way at all, what do you call that? Blue Magic hair grease a little bit. So, I mean, everybody doesn't know what that smells like. And you know, when you smell certain notes and certain things, it can bring up a memory. And that's what this one gives me. So as it dried down, it wasn't quite my favorite. So Marrakesh has bergamot, orange blossom, pink pepper, Turkish rose, neroli, and cedarwood. It does have the notes on the back of the box. And you guys, it gives a sweet, floral, warm, very warm, almost smells like an aged orange, not like a sweet, bright, ripened orange, but maybe like an aged orange. It's a little mature to me as well, and I get something a little slightly like coconut vibe in it. It's okay, but it's just like not my favorite out of the bunch. So next fragrance is Maldives in a Bottle, you guys, and it says Ylang Ylang Cocoa 20. And this is one of my favorites out of the bunch. This one is a little bit milder. I feel like Marrakesh is the most overall strongest out of the bunch. Maldives is probably to me the mildest of the bunch. It's sweet, coconutty. It's very soft, feminine, light, a very airy type of fragrance. It's so soft and pretty. I feel like this is something you can wear to bed. And actually, this is the one that I've worn the most because I've been wearing them for a couple weeks now. And this is the one that I've pulled for more than any of the other ones. It's so pleasant, sweet, nice, soft, feminine. Unless you don't like coconut, I feel like Maldives is one of those that, how could you not love it? Like, to me, this is probably one of the most universal, mass appealing in the set. Oh, y'all, it's sweet, comforting, yummy. I really like this one. So in Maldives, we have rosemary, wild lemon, starfruit, banana blossom, ylang ylang, and coconut milk. So you get that coconut, but coconut milk is a little lighter, more subdued. And so I really like that in this fragrance. And then the banana blossom, and you get something that smells like banana, but it's a very soft, pleasant banana. Blends so well with the other notes, you guys. I really like this one. And I feel like that one would be great to mix together with any of the other ones in the set. So next we have Capri in the bottle. And to me, this one is good too. This one, it smells sweet and very juicy. This almost smells like you could put it on ice, like in a glass of ice, and drink it. Like, that's how juicy and sweet smelling it is. So it's sweet, it's lemon forward in the opening, but as it dries down, it gets even more sugary sweet. And it almost, to me, starts to smell like a lemon sugar cookie or maybe a lemon cake. So stinking yummy, y'all. I really like this one too. And I've mixed this one a couple times with the Maldives in a bottle, but Maldives in a bottle will probably smell good with any of them, to be honest. So the notes of this one is lemon, sugar, freesia, raspberry, vanilla, and musk. And so when you hear that vanilla in there and the sugar and the lemon, you get why I say it smells like that sweet lemon cake. Very gourmand-like. So if you like a sweet gourmand type of fragrance, you would probably like this. Also, you guys, from this, I sort of got something reminiscent to Dolce & Gabbana's Devotion. That one almost to me smells like Fruity Pebbles, and because of that, it smells good, don't get me wrong, but I didn't want to smell like Fruity Pebbles, and so I never did get Devotion, but I did test it out in the store. So I feel like if Devotion wasn't for you, if you liked it but something about it just made you not want to pull the trigger, Capri in a bottle might be for you, because something about it is reminiscent to that. Probably that lemon, gourmand lemon touch to it, but it's sweet and good, you guys. I like this one too. And last we have Maui in a bottle. And this is really good as well. I probably like this one equal to this one. Both of these are really, really nice. Maui, you get more banana than anything. The standout note to me in Maui is banana. It's sweet, it's warm, it's comforting. You get the fruity banana in there. Very tropical. They all have that tropical theme though. It's a little watery. This one's good as well. So Maui has notes of sweet banana. It is a sweet banana, you guys. It's a very realistic banana in the best way. So you would probably think banana would be weird in the fragrance, but this is so good. It has pear, coconut cream, jasmine, sandalwood, and vanilla. Very nice fragrance. I really like this one as well. So with all four of the fragrances, longevity is no more than 4 hours. I feel like with my favorite one, which is Maldives in a bottle, you get the least amount of wear with this one. I get about 2 hours on this one, even if I spray my clothes down. So I have been layering it with just a basic baby oil gel. And with that, I get about 4 to 6 hours with any of them, which is fine for me. But on its own, I get 2 to 4 hours max. So let's go ahead and rate these. If I was to rate my favorite to least favorite, Maldives is my fave. And then these two, Maui and Capri in a bottle, are tied for number 2. And then last would be the Marrakesh in a bottle. So I have heard a few people talk about how they wish they could buy it separately, because I honestly thought that this set would have been sold out by now. But it's not. It's a good set though. I do recommend it, especially if you like sweet, fruity florals, or if you like tropical, beachy type scents. I think it's really nice for the most part. So Maybe she might, I don't know. Hopefully she'll come out with them separately, maybe depending on which are the most popular. I think the most mass appealing would probably be the Maldives in a bottle, but it could just be my personal preference. But I could see these two doing really well as well. I do feel like these are a little similar to have both in a full size. To be honest, Maui does have a little bit more presence than Maldives, and Marrakesh is honestly going to be an acquired taste. This won't be for everybody. It's the most polarizing as well. So I'm not sure. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried these yet. What are your thoughts? Which one is your favorite? I'll have the set link down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the